Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to make your microphone louder on your PlayStation 5 so your friends can hear you a little bit easier. So if it's too loud or too soft, we want to go to settings right here. And then scroll on down to sound. Then go to microphone, go right and go to adjust microphone level. And make sure your microphone is in the good section. So right around where it says good is where your microphone should be. If it's too low, slide this to the right on the bottom. And then increase the sound of your microphone and make it louder. Now if it's too soft, go ahead and adjust this accordingly as well. So make sure it's in the good section. Now another way that you can get here is by pressing the PlayStation button, going on over to mic, then go to adjust microphone level right here. And then you can adjust it as well when you're in the game really easily too. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.